Hey, what's up, guys? In this video, we're gonna see how to make $1 for writing app review, guys. Stay tuned for more. Okay, guys, so what do you expect from this video? In this video, we're gonna see to make one to up to $3 or even more to just writing a review on downloading app, guys. Without any further ado, guys, let's dive into this video, guys. And the website we're gonna see is, guys, it's a new website, guys, a new method to make money, guys. Website we're gonna see is called myappower.com, guys, and I leave a link below the description, so click the link and go sign up, guys. I show how you can make money and how you can make $1 for your writing review, guys. And this is the website look like, guys. This is like a old school website, but it's legitimate way to make money, guys. It's been here about 2000 level, guys. Since 2000 level it's like a legitimate website, guys, so you can make money, and it's if available worldwide, guys, no matter where it's from. And it's like a old school, guys, like I said. And this is how it's look like, guys. App review, you can earn $1 by just writing a honest app review, guys. It's a simple method, guys, and earn $3 by playing a games and testing iPhone apps, guys. And it's also available Android, guys. If you don't have a iPhone device, you just install an Android, guys. It doesn't matter which device you have, it's both available on Android, iOS, guys. But the most of the apps available on iOS devices, guys. If you had iOS devices, you lucky, guys, you had to go and you can make some good amount of money. If you have Android devices, it's little tough to make some good amount of money with this, guys. Don't worry, guys, I'll upload all this new secret to make money online. Go subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, guys, so every time I upload a video you get notified and you can make money and ahead of your competitor, guys. It's a simple way. You can hit the subscribe button and let's dive the video, guys. This is a simple app, guys, and this is been here, like I said, since 2000 level, guys, and 2013, and it's beyond 2017, guys, and it's been here. It's legitimate way to make money, guys. And I show the review, guys, and how you can sign up, how you can make money, guys. So watch till end. And this is the app, is honest reviewing app, like I said. It's a legitimate way to make money, guys. If you had any doubt, guys, contact here and come on to this website, guys, and click sign up, guys. Facebook, sign up with your Facebook or do it with the email, guys. It's a simple method you can make money, guys. And click reviewer, guys. It's automatically take you to this reviewer page. You can watch and review and do it some researches. I also do it some research how you can make some significant amount of money with just writing a review on our app store, guys. Just a simple method, you can make some good amount of money with this, guys, and build some capital to make some big amount of money, guys, like 100K per month or even more, guys. Show how it's work and how you can make money, guys, how the company will pay you, guys. And this is how do I review an app, guys. First you need to sign up my app aware and choose app friend, guys, and register and download the app from a play store, guys, app store or play store, guys, and write a honest review, guys. And you must need us iTunes account, guys, for writing a review. If you don't have us account, you just install an app and get paid $3, guys. But if you have a us iTunes account, you get paid, guys. It's a simple money. Just to create an us iTunes account, just easily you can create, guys. If you don't know how to create, go to YouTube and search how to create a us iTunes account. It's a simple matter, guys. Just to create a us iTunes account and just to get a $1 for just writing 3 simple words or 4 simple words, guys. The simple money you can get also $1 to $2 bonus for your sign up, guys. Simple method. And once you reach up to $5, guys, you can withdraw your money via PayPal, guys. And I show how it's one, guys. This is the website, guys. This is the website. I gonna show how you can make money and this is legit or not, guys. And this company pays you to PayPal, guys, and it's available browser iOS and Android, guys. It's like I said, it's available both on Android and iOS, guys. Or you can come out to the browser and just install an app, guys. A simple method. And this is minimum threshold, like I said, $5, guys. Once you reach $5, you get paid, guys. And you must need, like I said, us iTunes account, guys, in order to review the app, guys. Simple, you just create a new use iTunes account and get paid, guys, simply. And you can get paid up to 50 cents to $2 per download any apps you want, guys. A simple method. And once you sign up, and you just need to choose a plan, guys. There is a there is a plan, combined plan, you can get $5 limit with this plan, guys, or choose whatever you plan. It also $5 limit, guys. The simple app, I don't waste your time even more, guys. That's a simple app. Come out to myappaway.com, or I leave a link below, guys. It's not in a referral link, it's just a link, guys. Or click or google it, myappaware.com. is simple matter, guys. And come out to this and log in with your Facebook ID and just make some good amount of money, guys. This is a little short video to make some good method. I found a new website for you, guys. Okay, guys, I hope this video helps you a lot to make some money. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button, like, share, and feel free to comment below, guys. Okay, guys, I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Make money online. Peace.